Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's shopping episode because finally, my very kind CA from LV has contacted me saying that I could already pick up my custom Louis Vuitton bag. Yes, I'm super excited to be honest because this is the first time that I'll be seeing my baby after 6 weeks. Plus, of course, guys, I'll be making sure that I'll be still featuring lots of LV goodies for today's shopping episode, and I'm going to link everything on the description box below. So I'm inviting everyone to enjoy, relax, and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also in unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are already here at Greenbelt, and our first episode is we are going to check out very beautiful bags from Louis Vuitton. Enjoy! So let us check out first the window display here at LV. So the backdrop is Sylvie Infinity Dots. So let us check out this very beautiful Petite Malle here. Then we have here from the Giant collection, we have the Dauphine with this very beautiful giant opening in cute LV detail. Loving this ready to wear here, especially the coat. Are you noticing the super giant, super size buttons? How cute is that one? Now let's have some fun and check out the beautiful selection here inside the store. How cute are these trunks here? This is from their past collection. I think this is one of their collector's pieces. Then we have here some trunk. Let us check out what artwork. How cute are these? What do you think? We still can see the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration inside the store. Here we have the Dauphine in this very beautiful metallic finish. So I'm trying this one out right now. So guys, are you seeing that it's kind of like leaning in front of me, or I'm just holding it incorrectly? For anyone who has the Dauphine, please let us know by commenting below if it's an issue, like for example, like this one is leaning forward or I'm just holding it incorrectly. Here we have some very cute and beautiful SLGs. Let us check out some beautiful footwear from LV. So this one price is 95,500. Just look how cute this is. I think this is from their skater line. And then this one also as beautiful as the first one, only priced at 72K. First time to try in person the very beautiful and classic Pochette Métis.
Ito yung style niya. So, as you can see, mahirap siyang i-scratch.
Almost in the strap.
Yeah, super.
For this is around.
This one po is 177 actually. Tumaas na siya.
And then we have the Cluny for 136K in the classic monogram canvas.
This is 1
147 and
132.
130.
Ito rin po, 132.
132. And size ko tire. So para I have visual of what it looks like. Magkano yan?
124.
This is
124 po.
120. This is around ano eh.
So this one po kasi is 98 lang. Pero the yayoy kasama is 136.
130.
This is exclusive.
Here, I am trying out this very beautiful Sac Plat for 147K. This is the biggest size of this very beautiful style. I'm trying it out just to check how it would look like against my Petite Sac Plat. What do you think of this one? I'm thinking if I would be adding this Petite Sac Plat, then I could add my Petite Sac Plat like this as a bag charm. So this is the mini size for 132K. Then we have this beautiful bag for 124K. Guys, kindly comment down below
This
what's the
one.
name of this bag. Is it
Pero parang
Locky
I wanted
BB? I can't believe that they still have this bag from their previous collection. What do you think of this style? This style I like, 132K. So this one looks like a baguette, so the strap is fully detachable, and then I believe it comes with a longer shoulder strap as well. Then we have the NéoNoé for 113K. I love that it comes with black leather strap so that you're not going to worry with untreated vachetta leather. Then we have here this very beautiful valise bag. So we have in the Malle Ebene with black leather trims and the Malle Ebene with the vachetta. Which one do you prefer? Honestly, I like this style. However, I like it in bigger and in the classic monogram. Now let us check out some more beautiful eye candies from the store. Ooh, super cute top handle bags.
So pretty.
Meron siyang Leo na BBN. Those are postcards. Si Gaston kasi po, sir, is mahilig sa travel. So, yan po yung mga postcard na kuha niya last time.
Yeah.
Meron siyang Leo na BBN. Those are postcards. Si Gaston kasi po, sir, is mahilig sa travel. So, yan po yung mga postcard na kuha niya last time. So, basta made to order, sir, they will really make it handmade. Tapos, it was already sa ngayon, sir, I think you should enjoy the bag first before you stop. Kasama to sa coating. So, parang yung glazing niya, parang after nila mag-paint, pinag-paint. So, yeah. Tapos, this is half leather na rin. So, so hindi na siya patina. So, same color pa rin siya.
Am I your first order?
Actually, yes. Tapos, kanila gagamitin for 1 month or 2 months. Just do a half cloth. And then you can store it in a cool, dry place. Ganito po dapat yung pag-alaga ng bag. Kasi pag kino-cover po natin siya or nilalagay sa loob ng box, naiinitan siya. For example, in the Philippines, super init. So, dapat always siya naka-half cloth para mag-breathe yung leather.
Let us check out what we
could find here inside the store. We have here beautiful scarves. So we have here from the Louis Vuitton X Yayoy Kusama collaboration. More beautiful eye candies. I'm also seeing Alma PM in the classic print leather. We have, of course, the Pochette Métis. I am loving the bicolor, and we have the Speedies as well. My CA definitely is the sweetest and the kindest. I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to him. Without him, I won't be able to make a pre-order of this very beautiful custom Louis Vuitton LV bag. So guys, if you do not have any CAs yet here in Greenbelt, please let me know and I would hook you up and connect you with my very kind CA. How beautiful are these boots here? Let's check out some ready to wear. This is definitely me. You know me, I love anything sparkly. I love anything shiny. More beautiful ready-to-wear pieces. How gorgeous. I love the metallic finish. Definitely, if I could see this fabric, I would store that fabric and make an entire collection out of it. How amazing this trunk is. Still checking out what Louis Vuitton X Yayoy Kusama collaboration they still have on the store. So they have these capucines, white capucines with the multicolored dot painting. From the menswear, so they have the Sac Plats. They have the Keepall 25. They have more beautiful bags here. Then they have the Nano Speedy and the Speedy 20. They also have the NéoNoé in Epi leather. More Yayoy Kusama pieces.
Hi guys, so we are here at LV and I'm so excited. I've seen my new baby, guys. If you get a glimpse, I'm going to do an unboxing on our channel very soon, but hopefully you enjoyed our shopping episode here at Louis Vuitton. Yay!
I'm so happy what I got. Unboxing next week, guys. Please stay tuned.
There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? So guys, kindly stay tuned next week. We are going to have a unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton bag. I'm so excited to be sharing her and introducing her to our family here. Plus, among the very beautiful bags that we have showcased for today, kindly comment down below which ones are your favorites. So before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at Premierify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!